YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we've got a full set of Zodiac hoses, and we are going to show you how these twist lock hoses work with each other, as well as getting them attached to your cleaner. So stay tuned. All right, and we're back. So again, today we're gonna walk you through how to connect your Zodiac twist lock hoses. They work for a variety of Zodiac cleaners. We'll go ahead and pop one up here, another one here, maybe one more down here. So that way you guys can kind of see the different type of cleaner to make sure that you buy the correct hoses for your cleaner. This does not work with every Zodiac cleaner. So you cannot buy these for some of the cleaners. They require a normal hose. So when I open it up here, you guys will kind of check it out and kind of see what the difference is compared to a regular hose, as well as how to get it installed on one of the cleaners that it does function with. So they do come in singles. The hottest seller that we deal with is the 12 pack. We do have a variety of packs for them. We like to sell them in a 2, 3, a 5 pack, just based off of your needs. So then that way you guys don't have to get an entire 12 pack, especially when you don't need them. So let me cut this open and show you guys what's going on. All right. So one big thing that I really love about these hoses is their color. So definitely got a really cool color scheme going on. From Zodiac, it definitely blends really well with the cleaners that it works with. They share a lot of the same kind of similar color schemes, so really cool. Again, this is a full pack of 12. There's no leader hose, there's no regular hose. All of them are exactly the same. So if you're having difficulty getting it hooked up to your cleaner, I'll show you guys why. I actually have a working model down here of a Zodiac MX6. So I already have pre-installed the FRV. This is a flow regulator valve that actually gets installed right here on the top swivel for the MX6 or the MX8, both original or elite models, whichever one you got. So if you want to check out the links below, we actually have the video on how to install this and kind of just describes this a little bit more for you guys. But real simple, every end of the hose, one side has 2 knobs, very similar to the FRV that's already on here. If you choose not to go with the FRV, they do give you an option for just a quick connect, which is just a piece that clips on, very similar to the FRV, but it doesn't give you any kind of flow regulation. So it's just a way to be able to connect, because you're not going to be able to just plug these in straight to the top of the cleaner like you would with a typical suction side pool cleaner. So really cool. One end actually has little slots here, and the little slots are going to go around. Obviously you're going to put the hose on, you're gonna line them up with these little knobs, and then you're just gonna twist them. So that's why they like to call them a little twist lock hose. So then that way you're not taking the risk of just pressure fitting the hoses together. So then if your suction's too high or whatever, and you just pops hoses off, this one definitely gives you a lot more security with that. Definitely recommend that if you have these cleaners to make sure you go OEM. Don't buy aftermarket ones of these. They will get trashed. Zodiac does carry limited warranties on some of their parts, so make sure you check their website out just after you purchase these, just to verify where you guys can go and what you guys can do if these hoses do break. Again, out here in Arizona, the heat tends to really damage these hoses, so it is really important that, especially on hot days, run your cleaner at night. And then if you don't have the opportunity to do that, just try to make sure you take them out so they don't sit in your water all the time. So give it an occasional time and make sure you get these out, so that way you have the opportunity to let these stay out of the heat and not get so torched. So real simple, take the end with the slots and you literally just line them up. There's a specific way to do it. You can't actually put it on any other way. It won't work with those knobs. So you line it up and then you just twist it directionally. So it just twists and then it locks. So now you're actually able to pick the whole cleaner up from it. If you have a variety of hoses hooked up, which I set a couple out here for you guys so I can do a couple of them, it's definitely much tighter of a seal. So even from hose to hose, you're right there. So instead of spending time just sitting here and having to try to get those other hoses connected together, these definitely are really nice, especially when you have them for this specific cleaner. And like I said, as you can see, the color scheme is very similar, so definitely blends really well with the MX8 and the MX6. I believe these also work for the T5 or the G3 Pro, one of those. They work really well with that. So again, only specific to this cleaner, so you cannot use these on other cleaners, because this connection will not work on those other cleaners. So definitely recommend these hoses, especially OEM. You don't want to go with aftermarket. Really simple to replace. You just do the same thing, untwist the other direction, everything comes off. So overall, we went over Zodiac's twist lock hoses. Definitely a really good buy if you have an MX8 and MX6. Again, we got all the links for everything below. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.